Hi everyone, today we are going to the world famous Jog Falls, and as we all have studied in school, Jog Falls is the highest or the tallest waterfalls in India. It is in the Uttar Kannada district of Karnataka, and I'm going there from Bangalore. So let me share how what I did. So I took a train from Bangalore to Talguppa, and from there I'm going in this beautiful traveler to Jog Falls. So it is beautifully located in the Western Ghats. It is this waterfall is formed by the Sharavati river, which is a west flowing river, and it is so pretty. This was our group in the traveler, and this is how it went. So the Jog Falls viewpoint has a beautiful campus that has been made. So there are many shops lined up and everything there. So this is we enter the main gate and we walk a little to reach the mountain or the place that we have to trek down to reach the viewpoint. We have to do a short trek down. Basically, this is the viewpoint. If you want to just see it from here, it's fine. But if you want to get a closer look, you can do a short trek down. Right. So this is the way to get there. It's a very short one, but it's a nice trek down. So the Sharavati river forms these beautiful falls and it flows into the Arabian Sea later on. It forms beautiful mangrove forests there in the delta while it meets the Arabian Sea. I'll show you that in my next video. So we are all just going to get a better look at the falls. And I did something which I never thought I would. To lie down on that rock and get the view on the last cliff. And it was an amazing experience. I don't think it would be possible in the monsoons because there'll be too much water and everything. But because we went in the winters, I was able to do all that. It was a really great experience, and I think everyone should be able to do